It's lemon sauce. Now, my idea is Alfred, wacha kupiga nduru na shoot video. Haya. Hey honeys, hope you're doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Rolland. So today I'm recreating one of my guys' dish. Yes, we have to balance gender. So I did Kare's dish, so today is Kafue's dish. So for Kafue, funny story, me and Kafue used to be in the same high school, same class, doing home science, both of us. So let me insert a phone call of me and Kafue right here so you can hear what his favorite dessert is. Kafue. Sasa. So I'm filming for YouTube, and and I wanted to know what your favorite dessert is.
My favorite?
Dessert.
My favorite dessert? Something like a lemon cake.
Lemon cake?
Yeah, I did sauce, yeah.
Ah, okay, sawa. So as you guys have heard, his favorite dessert is lemon cake with lemon sauce. Now my idea is, because I follow a food blogger by the name of Gatweri. Gatweri is the founder of Leo Tunapika. Wait, did I say that? Yes, Leo Tunapika. It's supposed to be like Leo Tunapika, like that. So Gatweri has a recipe for a lemon loaf with a lemon drizzle sauce on top. So that's the recipe I'm gonna use. So before we start the video, let me put that disclaimer out. This is not my recipe. I'm using Gatweri's recipe. Before I get someone in the comments telling me, oh, you're a thief, I don't know. Sweetie, I've said it earlier. I'm using Gatweri of Leo Tunapika's recipe. So let me show you the ingredients, then we can get started. So for the ingredients we're gonna be needing for this video, we're gonna need, this is 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. This is a tablespoon of vanilla essence. This is 175 grams of margarine. You can use margarine or butter. This is 175 grams of sugar, normal sugar, the granulated sugar. We're also going to need 4 eggs at room temperature. This is for later for the syrup. And then you're also going to need the zest of 2 lemons. Now in her blog, she said you can use the imported lemons, but because I didn't have those, I used the locally available lemons. Now here's a thing I should point out: when you're grating your lemons for zest, please make sure you grate it to this extent. Don't overdo it. When you overdo it, when you get this white part into your zest, just a minute. Yes, when you get this white part into your zest, it makes your zest very bitter. So please, this is the best you can actually do when it comes to grating zest. Don't go beyond this point. So first of all, we're gonna start by creaming our margarine and our sugar. Before I forget, we're also gonna need 275 grams of all-purpose flour. In her blog, she says you use all-purpose flour, but because I had some bread flour left, I'm gonna use that because it's almost going bad. I don't want to waste flour. So her blog says all-purpose flour, but I'll use bread flour. I'll tell you the difference once I make the recipe again using the all-purpose flour. So let's get started. So we're gonna start by creaming our margarine and sugar. So next I'm gonna add my eggs. So to start on the dry ingredients, I'm gonna start by mixing my baking powder, my salt, and my bread flour. So I'm gonna add that there. Then I'm gonna take maybe a spoon. Gonna just mix it up. That's done now. So next I'm gonna take my wet ingredients, and I'm gonna fold in my dry ingredients. So just give that a quick stir. So after those quick and easy steps, honeys, our cake is finally done. So just a minute. Yep, there we go. But because it's actually not a cake, this is the syrup, but because I want to do this loaf, this lemon loaf justice, kiwa what? Kiwa pan. Simona ko katoto ni karembo. Like, that cake is really pretty. That loaf, I'm so used to cakes. That loaf is really, really pretty. What is wrong with my English today? That loaf is really, really pretty. So first things first, before I actually cut this cake and taste, let me remove that of focus. When this video is going up, which is gonna be on Thursday the 28th, coincidentally enough, this year has just rhymed with the year when I started my YouTube. I started my YouTube channel on the 28th of October 2018. Today is the day when this video is going up is gonna be the 28th of October 2021. Like, it's been 3 years. I want to thank each and every person who has come through, both financially, physically, the people who have appeared on my channel, on my vlogs, my other family, like auntie, y'all are fam. Thank you so much for the continued support. My subbies, my honey squad, I'm so grateful. I'm lost for words. I like, there's no words to tell you how much grateful I am for your support. So thank you. That's why the cake has a banner for happy birthday. It's my baby's birthday. What do I have to say about the channel? It has not been easy. It's not been a smile and giggle kind of journey. It's had its ups and downs like everything else would. But we are here today regardless, yeah. So I'm really grateful to each and every person. To my channel, I hope it grows. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. 700. We are like 30 subscribers, give or take, away from 7 subscribers. From 700 subscribers, then 300 subscribers. So in total, we're like 330 subscribers away from 1,000. So please, in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, so let's test this cake. You guys, look. Just look at this. I mean, it's so moist. Leo Tunapika, you are doing a good job. Gatweri, girl, can you get a sweet fork? Just a minute. There we go. So this is my slice. And I'm feeling a bit thirsty, so let's now taste this baby. So there we go. Nice. It's so crunchy on the outside, yet so soft on the inside. I actually didn't expect that. I was a bit suspicious of this recipe, to be honest, but then I said, you know what, Cameron or Shane was still gonna do it. So let's give this a taste test. It actually tastes like bread. Wow. Okay. Now I get why it's so crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. It tastes exactly like bread. You see, like the way you'd have super loaf, but now this is lemon flavored super loaf. So good, but 100 times better. Overall review of the cake, guys, of the loaf. This loaf is amazing. You should go to Leo Tunapika's website and actually get the exact recipe. Try it out. Tag her on any social media platform. She's a really nice lady. She will respond to you. So good. So that is it, honeys, for this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and do what? Subscribe. Please make sure, because today is a special day for me and my channel, you actually subscribe in case you haven't. So yeah, I'll see you next time. And before I forget, our national anthem. Until next time, remember, life is too short to eat boring food. So bye, guys.